Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel Land Before Time, with your host, Littlefoot. If you didn't get that reference, you probably grew up on Dinosaur Train. Either way, welcome aboard. Today we're going to be taking a look at product of array except self. This problem may exclude itself, but don't forget about self-care when navigating the tides of the current job market. As we brace the high tide, let's continue to thread the waters of interview prep, and let's get started. Given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer I is equal to the product of all elements of nums except nums I. The product of the prefix or suffix of nums is guaranteed to fit a 32-bit integer. You must write an algorithm that runs an O of n time without using the division operation. Goal: return an array of the product of all elements except for self. This problem seems to be pretty straightforward. I have one question. Can nums equal the empty string? You can assume no. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and let's work out some examples and brainstorm some ideas. Since we need to do this in O of n time, and we can't use a division operator, we'll have to do this in 3 linear operations. We'll have to do the product forward, backwards, and then the product of the result of the forward and the backwards. So it'll look something like this. Let's take the example 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's start with the forward one. We're going to initialize everything to 1. So we'll have 1 be 1. Then when we move on to 2, we will have 1 times 1, which is 1. Then 1 times 2, which is 2. Then 2 times 3, which is 6. Now we'll start going backwards. We will have, again, we'll fill everything with 1. 1 times 4, which is 4. 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 times 2, which is 24. Then we're going to have our answer array, which is going to be 1 times 24, which is 24. 1 times 12, which is 12. 2 times 4, which is 8. And 6 times 1, which is 6. So now we can see here that we have the correct output matching example 1. 24, 12, 8, 6. With that, let's do a quick recap and create a blueprint. We want to run 3 passes. A forward pass where we do forward I minus 1 times nums I minus 1. Backward, where we do backwards I plus 1 times nums I plus 1. And answer, where we do the forward I times the backwards I. And then at the very end, we want to return the answers array. Now it's time to display your rockstar coding skills. And there we have it, product of array except self. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. Enjoy a Hot Pocket too. Happy coding and see you in the next one.